Leads Transformer Challenge. Hello everybody, this is Kieran Hogg, welcome. This is Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, and today I'm going to be reviewing Leads Transformers Challenge. This is a launch that is going live on July 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time by Ivania Bosniak, and this turns simple Facebook posts into cash generating machines, and there is a step-by-step video tutorial that goes through 7 days, multiple videos for every day, so you will be exactly informed on what you need to do to be able to profit on Facebook. Okay guys, also I've got lots of bonuses to throw your way that are going to complement this Leads Transformers Challenge as well, and I've got a demo, so you're going to see exactly what the interface looks like and all the videos, the day-by-day setup. I'm going to show you all that as well, guys. So let's get into my bonus page, and this is a bonus page that is going to stay up until Friday, July 23rd. That is also the same time that the Leads Transformers Challenge is going to be complete as well. It'll be complete at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so midnight essentially on the 23rd, okay? So the Leads Transformers Challenge, this full-time mom cracks the Facebook code to attract 100 plus high-quality leads using a simple and 100% free method, right guys? So even if you're a complete digital market newbie, this will work. Like I said, these videos go into extremely minute detail about everything, so you're gonna need everything you need is gonna be in those videos. So it's very newbie friendly, it's unique, never seen anything like it. No face-to-face meetings. Method is 100% free, so you're not going to use any paid ads. Get unlimited source of high quality leads, perfect for any type of digital products or service. So the Leads Transformers Challenge is perfect for you. Inside you get everything you need to attract tons of high quality leads on demand. It's a 7-day Leads Transformers Challenge that consists of video training and done for you templates with done for you worksheets to turn this into a success as soon as possible. And of course, they're going to take you, like I said, step by step, guys. So before we get into the funnel, let me take you to my bonuses that I've made to complement this product. So this is Ivana. This is a sales demo, a sales video that I'm going to leave for here. You can watch this on your own time as you need, okay? And I'm just going to introduce my bonuses that I've created for you. My first one is Gemini. So Gemini is a 3-in-1 software for building a massive email list. So if you're doing anything online, guys, what you're trying to do is capture as many emails as you can. You're trying to grow your email list, because anybody that's been in this business realizes that emails are really the life force of your business. It's where you get a lot of your income as well. So this is 3-in-1 software. You're going to get an autoresponder. That is something that will give your customers messages, emails, up-to-date information, and you can program that from right away, or maybe a day after they click on something, or a week after, and you can just monitor them as you need. That is included. Also, there is a funnels page, so you can put squeeze funnels in there. You can put thank you pages, thank you funnels. You can put promotional funnels in there. And guys, these are all on a no monthly fees, okay? So with most autoresponders, you're paying for a monthly fee. With a lot of funnels, you're paying a monthly fee as well. Like ClickFunnels can be very, very expensive. And people who have autoresponders are sometimes paying 4 digits a month for their autoresponder subscriptions. So this is a one-time only, guys. And the third and final software is an email click boost system. So what you're able to do, you're able to put videos, clickable videos into your email, so you can really kind of raise your game compared to your competition, and you can stand out. These email videos make your message a lot more engaging, a lot more interactive, and just a lot more pleasurable to watch. So you get the 3-in-1 software building system, guys. For me saying thank you, just click on that link and you'll find out how to access that. And my second is Instagram Traffic Tsunami. So this Leads Transformers Challenge talks about traffic, right? So I also want you guys to be able to introduce traffic via another source. So that's why I included this Instagram traffic tsunami. So you're going to be using Instagram to take your viewers and your traffic to a squeeze page, where in turn you're going to be taking them to a sales page, okay? So it's really a powerful system, and it's going to show you how you can do that, and it is really going to help get a lot of eyes on what you're talking about, your promotion, your products, etc. Okay? And my next bonus is the Buyer's Guide Blueprint. So this talks about how important the use of autoresponders and squeeze pages are. So if you're giving even just a bonus, or if you're just putting something out there like a tip, or if you have a product or anything out there that you want people to use, you can put in a squeeze page before they can access it, so you can capture their emails. And now that you've got that, you've got a buyer's list, you've got potentially people who want to look at future products that you can promote with them. This is going to show you how you can do that, also how you can put these autoresponders into Warrior Plus and JVZoo as well, okay? And guys, my fourth bonus is the Money Printer Secret. So this is CPA related. CPA means cost per acquisition. So what that is, once you start getting a big list of traffic, you can approach CPA networks, or they will approach you, and they will be asking you if you can get your traffic to perform a simple task. For example, it could be giving their email, maybe their first name and maybe their last name, their phone number, maybe completing a short survey. And by doing that, they don't have to take out their credit card or anything like that, but the networks will pay you anywhere from 50 cents to $2. So if you have a large network and a large email list, that can really start to add up, okay? And like, again, they're not going to be paying anything from their credit cards, but the actual special aspect of this system here are the sources that they use in combination with the CPA formula that make this so powerful. So you're going to be able to access that and get that knowledge and start making your money work for you. And the fifth and final bonuses that I have, guys, are the all vendor bonuses. Okay, so we're going to look at those briefly. Now let me take you to what the interface of Leads Transformers Challenge is going to look like. So here's the dashboard, okay? So Biz Transformers members, all courses, my dashboard. So I'm going to take you to, here it is, the Leads Transformers Challenge. Okay, so for this example, it's 46%. So if I just go to the very beginning here, so getting started with Leads Transformers Challenge, okay, and then day 0 is preparation. So we've got multi videos. How does it work? Full recording preparation day, ground 0, editing your friends list, attracting leads and joining groups, preparing your profile, recap, and homework, guys. So you're not just going to be sitting there watching, you're going to be interactive, you're going to be doing work that's going to make the lessons more in your brain, deeper ingrained, so you're actually going to be retaining it faster and deeper. Okay, so day 1, we have 12 different videos here. We've got the Lead Transformers full recording day, day 0 homework recap, who is your ideal client, finding leads, providing values in groups, introducing yourself to groups, mission post, responding to leads, how to keep track of leads, follow-ups, recap, and again, more homework, and a Q&A, final thoughts. Day 2, you've got 6. You've got Lead Transformers, day 2, full recording, blocking time, more group engagement and commenting on posts, messenger conversation for post comments, your authority post, and more homework to get those lessons deeper ingrained. Okay, day 3, this is where we are right now. So Lead Transformers, change, full recording, meeting start and mission post, tracking leads, peak and interest leads, and so on, guys. So there is a lot. So let me just show you day 3, day 4. You've got this, so the live, knowing your ideal client, how to get testimonials, creating value posts, homework again. Day 6, how to deal with ghosting, quick recap and homework, important Q&A session. And day 7, you've got full recording, so you got all these videos, important consistency of planting seeds, power of posting, let's talk numbers, ongoing tasks, discussion on leads, share your results, how to build a wildly successful business, final thoughts. Okay, and down here, guys, we've got bonuses. So free 1 on call. So book your game plan to call to structure your 6-figure business. And bonus number 2, it's a case study that you'll be able to access. Bonus number 3, the closed door mastermind group. So you're going to be getting Ivana and her team of people who have been doing this very well, who are able to coach you, give you guidance. Done for you campaigns. So get access to your leads, transformers, done for you campaigns here, and get auto community growth, biz transformers program. So guys, there is a lot in here. Okay. So you can see this is just 7 days worth. That is a lot of material that you're going to be given. And guys, if I just take you to the bonus page, or excuse me, the sales page, I'll just give you a quick rundown here. So again, we've gone over a lot of these, simple and newbie friendly. Okay, and the front end is going to be $17, but this will change. This is an early bird special that I'll take you to in a minute. So she's saying, turn simple Facebook posts like these. Are you interested in masterclass that shows you how to build and automate your lead generation through Facebook groups? Drop a yes. And look, in just 10 days, $3,400, very impressive. And also, these are her students that have given testimonials. I'll let you read these. You can access these once it goes live in the sales page. More testimonials. Okay, so guys, this is her with her kids. And again, you can read this on your own time. Here are some more examples of what she has done. Again, more testimonials. So a lot of people have used this. A lot of people have good things to say about it as well. Okay. And now, guys, let me take you to her bonuses. So the bonus number 1, let me hold your hand to set up your lead generation machine, a value of $300. Bonus number 2, a 45-minute game plan call to define your plan of action to turn this method into a successful business. Okay. Bonus number 3, a proven script to turn a simple conversation into clients. And guys, we have a 14-day money back guarantee, so you can access all this information. And if for whatever reason you feel like it's not worthy, you can get your money back. So really, you have nothing to lose. Okay. And this is just the summary of everything you'll be getting, along with my bonuses that are going to help you out as well. So you have this, the Facebook lead generation powerhouse by doing 4 to 5 small micro tasks. I'm going to repeat this down in the summary in a minute. So here are some frequently asked questions. What is a lead transformers page? Again, it's getting high quality leads from Facebook without spending any money on ads. Everything was revealed inside. Is it newbie friendly? Yes, it is. Do I need to invest money to kickstart this? No. Is this just a course? No, it's more than that. We'll show you how to challenge you to take micro tasks to achieve results in 24 hours. And again, what's included, it's all there. How many leads can I get from this? As you can see from the proof, there is no limit, so it's infinite. Okay, guys, so how long does it take to start attracting leads? Fast. This will work in any niche. There's a 14-day money-back guarantee, guys. So let me just take you back to the top here, and let's go down. So here's a price funnel. So the front end, like I said, is 17. That is going to change shortly. The upsell number 1 is $37, number 2 $37, and number 3 is $333 per month. But look here, after launch, front end price and upgrades are going up to $27, $47, $47, and $444 per month. So if this is something that you think can help you out, best not wait. You're going to get a better value if you act soon. So here we go. Prices raise at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 6 p.m. every day until launch ends. Early bird starts at $17. It will last for 4 hours. After that, the price will go up to 24 hours at 2 p.m. Okay, until launch closes on the 23rd. The final price will be $27. So the front end, all of that information that I've included up and above is part of the front end. And upgrade number 1, done for you campaigns. 51 done for you wisdom campaigns, PSD files, 80 done for you engagement posts, 30 done for you motivational posts, and 80 done for you value posts. Number 2, 10 over the shoulder videos showing you how to grow your community on autopilot, how to grow your email list automatically, and 2 done for you prospecting email, Facebook messages. And the third upgrade is the Business Transformers program, instant access to the coaching program that will show you how to take this method and grow to the next level, how to develop your high ticket offer, how to launch it successfully in 3 weeks or less, how to position yourself as an authority, how to set up a high ticket funnel that converts, and 2 weekly coaching calls, and you get the accountability group, so it will keep you motivated and you can ask questions with that as well, guys. So a summary of what you're going to be getting here is the simple way to turn Facebook into a lead generation powerhouse by doing 4 to 5 small micro tasks. Easy to follow video training, 1 real life study, done for you templates and worksheets, 7 days to challenge and micro tasks. So guys, if I just take you over here to Fiverr and I just put in Facebook leads, okay? So what popped up? So just starting at $80, $100, $50, starting at $300, guys. So you can see that's just the basic as well. So the standard at $1,500 and the premium $2,500, guys. So what you're going to be getting at for $17 on the front end, you're going to get a lot of the same things I imagine that it's going to be in what you just saw that was $1,500, $2,500. Okay, and if you just decide to do the upgrade 1, you're going to get 51 done for you campaigns, 80 done for you engagement posts, and 30 done for you motivational posts, and 80 done for you value posts. So you might consider wanting to get one of these upgrades as well. And don't forget, guys, if you click on any of these buttons, it's going to take you here to my bonus page where you can access all of the bonuses plus the vendors bonuses right here, just a click of the button. Okay, and again, guys, so you're going to be getting my Gemini, the IG traffic tsunami, the buyer's guide blueprint, money printer secret, and the vendors bonuses. And you've got 4 days, a little over 4 days before you need to get that, guys. So this wraps up my summary on the Leads Transformers Challenge. Again, it goes live tomorrow, July 20th, and it will stay up for 3 days. And this is Kieran Hogg. If you got some value from this, please like, subscribe, and comment. And please, I would love it if you used my affiliate link. You'll get my bonuses. So that being said, I'll wrap it up. Thank you for your time. Kieran Guy Hogg, Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, signing off. Thank you.